What is mat earthing? Mat earthing is a crucial safety measure used in electrical installations to prevent electrical shock and ensure the proper functioning of electrical systems. This document provides an overview of mat earthing, its significance, and its applications in various settings. Why mat earthing? Mat earthing involves the use of a conductive mat that is connected to the ground. This mat is typically made of materials such as copper or aluminum and is designed to dissipate electrical energy safely into the earth. The primary purpose of mat earthing is to provide a low-resistance path for fault currents, which can occur due to equipment failure, insulation breakdown, or lightning strikes. By directing these currents away from personnel and sensitive equipment, mat earthing enhances safety and minimizes the risk of electrical hazards. Importance of mat earthing. Safety. The most significant advantage of mat earthing is the protection it offers against electric shocks. By grounding electrical equipment and systems, it ensures that any stray currents are safely diverted to the ground. Equipment protection. Mat earthing helps protect sensitive electronic equipment from voltage spikes and surges, which can cause damage or malfunction. Compliance. Many electrical standards and regulations require proper earthing systems to be in place. Mat earthing helps organizations comply with these legal requirements. Enhanced system performance. A well-designed earthing system can improve the overall performance of electrical systems by reducing electromagnetic interference and ensuring stable voltage levels. Applications of mat earthing. Industrial settings. In factories and manufacturing plants, mat earthing is commonly used to protect machinery and workers from electrical hazards. Data centers. Given the sensitivity of the equipment in data centers, mat earthing is essential for protecting servers and networking devices from electrical faults. Telecommunication facilities. Mat earthing is employed to safeguard communication equipment from lightning strikes and other electrical disturbances. Residential buildings. In homes, mat earthing can be used to enhance safety, particularly in areas with high electrical loads or where sensitive electronic devices are used. Conclusion. Mat earthing is an essential component of electrical safety and system reliability. By providing a safe path for fault currents and protecting both personnel and equipment, it plays a vital role in various applications across different industries. Understanding and implementing effective mat earthing systems is crucial for ensuring safety and compliance with electrical standards.